Welcome to the SAP S/4HANA FICO Basic to Advanced course. This comprehensive course is designed to guide you towards becoming a certified SAP FI consultant and an end user of the SAP FI module. My name is Mahavir Bharadwaj. I will be serving as your instructor for this course. I hold an MBA in finance and have accumulated over 20 years of experience in finance in different industries, with over 12 years spent exclusively in SAP. Preparing for the SAP FICO exam is made easy with this course. Become a certified consultant to gain the skill necessary for securing a position in one of the top 100 Fortune companies. In addition, this certification guarantees the best possible compensation in the market. Receive $100 worth of practice and study material completely free when you sign up for this course. This course covers all the topics for certification, including the major ones: organizational structure, account receivable, accounts payable, GST, VAT, TDS, withholding tax, automatic payment process, bank statement, cost center and profit center, fixed asset accounting, end user activities, and much more. If you want to gain this high paid skill and want to become a certified SAP FI consultant, this course is for you. Feel free to see the course description and join me to become a certified SAP FI consultant. Thank you.